Student. So this is the lesson about the staffing. Staffing is the most important thing and the organization. If we want to establish an organization, they need to have the staff. Okay, without human resources, we are not able to do the that means the able to achieve the goal of the organization. Okay, here is the staffing. There are two main factors about the business and business organization or any kind of the organization. First is the human resource, and second is the physical resources. So there is when we talk about the human resources, they need to have two. That means. To determine the how can we select or elect or how can we appoint our staff. So that is the staffing. What is staffing? The managerial function of the staffing involves meaning the organizational structure through proper and effective selection, appraisal, and the development of the personnel to fill the roles and design into the structure. The staffing function of the management pertains to the recruitment, selection, training, development, appraisal, and the remuneration of the personnel. Okay, in this way, that is the features of the staffing. What are the features of the staffing? Staffing is an important function of the management. The basic concern of the staffing is the management of the manpower and the human resources. Okay, staffing helps in the getting the right types of the person on the right place in organization. If in organization at the top level management put the right person at the right place for the right job at the right time, so that is the staffing is the most important thing, and they will achieve their goal through the staffing. Staffing is a pervasive function, and staffing is performed by the managers at all levels of the management, top level, middle level, and lower level. All managers, the staffing is the functions of their responsibility to do and to that means select the proper employee for the staff. Why staffing? Why staffing is needed? To ensure efficient performance of the planning, organization, directing, and controlling functions of management, to ensure the effective use of the technology, and to ensure the optimum utilization of the human resources, to motivate the human resources for better performance. Pre-staffing stage. What is the pre-staffing? Before staffing, human resources planning is required as a pre-selection stage. At the first, the number of personals you need, you have to determine, you have to decide number of personals for each department. Okay, it involves two sub stages: job analysis and manpower planning. At the first, we have to analyze the job of the for the particular section or particular head or particular department. So job analysis, it basically helps in the understanding the nature of the specific job. It is identification of the various activities performed in a job and the characteristics of the persons, the vast situation, the materials, the equipments, necessities performing job effectively. Okay, manpower planning. The next step after the job analysis is the manpower planning. Manpower planning is a process of the determining and ensuring that the organization will have an adequate number of qualified personnel. It helps to ensure the right number and right kind of the people at the right place at the right time, doing the right things for which they are best suited for the achievements of the organizational goals. Okay, staffing process. Estimating manpower requirement. What is that? The first we have to estimate the requirement of the organization, number of people for the particular head or particular department. Okay, that means the manager has to determine. Okay, and requirement. Second, the selection, orientation, and the placement. Then training and development, remuneration, performance, appraisal, promotion, and compensation. Estimating manpower requirement. The very first step in the staffing is to plan the manpower inventory required by a concern in order to match them with the job requirements and the demands. Therefore, it involves the forecasting and the determining the final goal of the organization of the concern requirement. It is the process of stimulating the prospective candidates for the prospects jobs. It's a positive prospects, and it's done by two ways: internal equal to transfer, promotion and layoff. Second, external job construction and casual colors selection. It is the process of this scrutining, scrutining. Sorry, at this it's a process of the scrutining, the application and the selecting the and the best of the most qualified people. It's a negative process. Various steps for the selection: preliminaries, screening, selection test, employment interview, checking the references and the backgrounds, selection decision, medical examination, job offer and contract of the employment, placement and the orientation. The people are the selected or the placed on different jobs according to their abilities and capabilities. Okay, once they are placed, they are subjected to a orientation program where they are introduced to the rules and regulations, their seniors or subordinates. Training. It is the process of ethics and the existing skills and the knowledge of the people. It's needed for the both new and old employees. This is conducted in the two different ways on jobs and of the jobs. Promotion. Promotion is the said to be and monetary in incentive in which the worker is shifted from a higher job to demanding bigger responsibilities. It involves the reassignment of an employee to a position having the increasing and responsibility, more prior and the greater potential. Thank you very much. This is the lesson by me for the business study of the class 12th, stuffing. Thank you very much.